Welcome. Today you'll learn how to scan documents to PDF using the Google Drive app, no scanner required. Just your smartphone. Whether you need to digitize receipts, contracts, or handwritten notes, this method is quick, easy, and completely free. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to your App Store and download Google Drive. Once you're signed in, you'll notice a menu bar at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Files tab at the bottom right to access your Drive's file view. Now, look for the plus icon, a circle with a plus sign, usually found at the bottom right corner. Give it a tap. This opens up a menu with several options, including Folder, Upload, and most importantly, Scan. Tap on Scan to launch your camera within the app. Position your phone's camera over the document you want to scan. Make sure it's well lit and as flat as possible for the best results. When you're ready, capture the image by tapping the shutter button. Google Drive will automatically detect the document's edges and highlight them with a blue outline. After capturing, you'll see options to crop the scan, rotate it, or even apply filters to enhance clarity. If you're not satisfied, you can retake the photo or clean up any imperfections. Once you're happy with the scan, tap Done. If your document has multiple pages, you can add more scans before saving. Before finalizing, you'll have the option to rename your file and choose the format. Select PDF to save your scan as a PDF document. You can also choose the specific folder in your Drive where you want to store it. Tap Save, and your document is instantly uploaded to Google Drive, ready to share or access from any device. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you've turned your phone into a portable scanner and saved your documents as PDFs directly to Google Drive. Give it a try the next time you need to scan something on the go.